sklearn cluster feature agglomeration. Description feature agglomeration is a dimensionality reduction technique that merges features based on their similarity. It uses hierarchical clustering to group similar features together and replaces the original features with the new aggregated features. Inputs: data, a numerical array or matrix representing the data points to be transformed. Affinity matrix, a square matrix representing the similarity between features. If not provided, it is computed based on the data. Outputs: transformed data, a numerical array or matrix with the reduced dimensionality. Clustering, the hierarchical clustering of features. Steps: compute affinity matrix, calculates the pairwise similarity between features using a specified metric, e.g., Euclidean distance. Correlation: apply agglomerative clustering, performs agglomerative clustering on the features based on pair. Affinity matrix: merging similar features into groups. Metrics: explained variance ratio, measures the proportion of variance in the original data that is preserved by the transformed data. Silhouette coefficient evaluates the quality of the clustering by measuring how similar a feature is to its own cluster compared to other clusters. Visualization plots: dendrogram, a tree-like diagram that visualizes the hierarchical clustering of features, showing how features are merged at different levels of similarity. Fine-tune parameters: affinity, the metric used to compute the similarity between features, e.g., Euclidean, Manhattan, cosine. Linkage, the linkage criterion used for agglomerative clustering, e.g., WOD, average. Complete. Uncertainty methods, not applicable for feature agglomeration. Challenges and fixes: sensitive to affinity and linkage. Experiment with different affinity and linkage options to find the best combination for the data. Consider domain knowledge to select appropriate metrics and linkage criteria. Computational complexity can be computationally expensive for large datasets. Consider using approximations or dimensionality reduction techniques before applying feature agglomeration.